Last part. As we're looking at proportions for this ratio and proportion stuff, when we have a fraction equals a fraction, we're going to solve these by what's doing called cross multiplying. So I want you to circle that diagonal, and then we're going to cross multiply these by the following process. Parentheses y, parentheses 5, equals parentheses 12 times parentheses 4. So all we did there was we cross multiplied, and we multiplied the one diagonal equals the other diagonal. Now we solve it. That's 5y equals 48. Divide by 5, and we get 48 over 5. Now, when you have a problem like this, you're going to be able to give 3 possible different answers. You could have that as answer 1. You could say 9 and 3/5, answer 2. Or you could say, if you wanted to go to a decimal, 9.6. Any one of those 3 are valid answers for this. None are right, none are wrong, they're all perfectly valid. Our second one illustrates a little bit different idea. Once again, circle that first diagonal. Someone asked me last hour, can I cancel the 8 and the 4? Absolutely not. Not across an equal sign. Only across a times sign, but not across an equal sign. So here we go. 8 times 4 equals x times negative 3. Notice, where did I put all my pieces? Inside what kind of stuff?
Parentheses.
Inside parentheses. Someone help me, what is 8 times 4?
32.
32. And what is x times negative 3? Negative 3x. Now, my point in illustration here is obviously you're going to take it to solve and you're going to divide by negative 3. My danger is I don't want you to write your answer as it is written with this red over black. Where's the negative sign right now? So Abby, where should it be? On the top. Excellent. Either on top, like so, or alongside it, like so. One or the other. Both are fine. And once again, you could also, Abby, mixed number or decimal. But my point of this illustration very particularly is when you get a negative, once again, bring it back up. Okay? Yes, sir.
I have a quick question. What were you saying about a student saying wanting to cross over multiple signs and that's not possible?
They said, this 8 and the 4. Oh, can't they cancel them? And my answer is no, you can't.
You can never cancel.
You can never cancel across an equal sign. That was their question. And I wanted to make sure you didn't make the same error.
Oh, that's interesting.
Okay? All right, moving down. Our third example on this page. Once again, circle your diagonal. And let's write this out with parentheses. X plus 2 times 10 and 14 times x. Who feels comfortable multiplying the left side? Luke, go ahead.
Whoa. Oh, so would it be 10x times, or plus 20?
Excellent. So off to the side, put a little star that just says distribute, because that's the key idea on this problem. Right side is obviously 14x. With equations, do I need to have the variables on the left? No, that's for inequalities. That's what we did last chapter. So subtract your 10x. 20 equals 4x. And finishing up, what do we do? Divide by 4. So x equals 5. I think you were giving me the answer, right?
Yeah, I wasn't saying it's
So my answer is 5. Key idea, distribute. Josh, question?
I have to go quickly make this call. I need something.
Yeah. All right. Looking down at the bottom. Circle your diagonal. Okay? And let's write it out. D minus 7 times 3 equals 4 times 2d plus 1. Now Luke did a nice job distributing on the last one. Who can distribute this one for me? Go ahead. Grace? Excellent. Can you do the other side as well for me?
Sure. It would be 8d plus 4.
Excellent. Where do we want to move our d's to? Move them to the right. Why do you choose the right? I would agree.
Because it's a higher D.
It's a higher d. It's a larger d. So we subtract 3d.
The bullet system?
You know, whichever one is bigger forces it to come that way, kind of like gravity.
Thank you.
So negative 21, 5d plus 4. Isn't this pretty simple from here? Subtract 4. Someone help me. What is negative 21 minus 4? Negative 25 equals 5d. To solve, do what? Divide by 5. So negative 5 equals d. If you wanted to, technically, could you check these? You could take this answer and put it back in the original problems. So you could check them. So we've got cross multiplying on this side, and then we've got, figuring out ratios and stuff like that on the other side.